Settle down, Shane. I'm listening to you, Shane. But I can't move. I'm not gonna send you out there to get real, dog. I'm gonna talk you through this, soldier. It's in you for real.
What's up? Kumusta mga boxing fanatics? Joey Boy Boxing TV. Hello and welcome mga brother. Ngayon po ay pag-uusapan natin si Sugar Shane Mosley. Pati na din ang naging laban niya kay Sir Manny Pacquiao at kung bakit nga niya gustong itigil ang laban pagkatapos ng 10th round.
Settle down, Shane. I'm listening to you, Shane. But I can't move. I'm not gonna send you out there.
Itong laban din na ito ay sinabi din ni Sir Pacquiao na hindi siya 100% condition dahil nga sa iniinda nitong sakit ng kanyang kaliwang binti dahil sa matinding training na ginawa ni Pacman sa laban na ito. So paano na lang kaya kung 100% condition si Pacman noong laban na ito? Si Mosley nga pala ay isang 3 division world champion. 2 beses lang naman niya tinalo si Oscar De La Hoya sa kanyang prime. Tulad ni Sir Pacquiao, binigyan din niya ng masalimuot na pagkatalo si Margarito. Inalog at muntik nang mapabagsak si Mayweather sa laban.
There's a hard right hand, and that may be the hardest punch that Floyd Mayweather has taken in recent years. Mosley, another big right hand. Mayweather.
Malakas din at palaban. Tamang-tama talaga na panglaban sa ating pambansang kamao na si Sir Manny. Ilang beses din niyang kinausap si Freddie Roach hanggang sa makuha nga ni Mosley ang inaasam na laban sa only 8 division world champion na si Sir Pacquiao. At noong May 7, 2011, nagharap nga ang dalawa. Karamihan nga ng mga fans ay alam na ang kalalabasan dahil nga po ng panahon na iyan ay magpo 40 years old na si Mosley o wala na sa prime. Samantalang si Pacquiao naman ay nasa 32 years old pa at nasa kasagsagan ng pagiging number 1 pound for pound. Pero kung titignan nyo ang postura ng katawan ng dalawa ng panahon na iyan, ay hindi mapaghahalataan na 39 years old na si Mosley. Bago din niya nakalaban si Sir Pacquiao ay nanalo pa ito ng 2 laban, kanila Ricardo Mayorga na nagresulta ng KO. Pati na din kay Antonio Margarito na nagresulta din ng TKO. Ngunit pagdating kay Mayweather ay natalo ito via unanimous decision. At kung maaalala, inalog at muntik pa niyang mapatumba si Mayweather sa kanilang laban. Kaya hindi talagang mapagkakaila na malakas pa din talaga si Mosley ng panahon na ito kahit nasa 39 years old na. Sa round 1 at 2 nga ay nagsusukatan pa ang dalawa ng kanilang mga atake, pero makikita dito ang kalamangan ni Sir Manny sa mga power shot.
Straight left into the body though. Beautiful three-punch combination now by Pacquiao.
Sa round 3 naman ay nakakita ng opening si Sir Pacquiao para magpakawala ng solid left straight at nagresulta ng knockdown kay Shane Mosley.
Oh, nice right hand by Mosley. Backs up Pacquiao. Manny moving forward though. And the left hand, and it drops Mosley. Pacquiao to the body. Just missing. And Shane Mosley is trying to...
Sinabi din ni Mosley after ng laban na never pa daw siyang nakaranas ng ganong kalakas na suntok sa kanyang boxing career.
A very good punch, straight left hand. I was actually straight left hand, and Mosley was in trouble.
Pagdating naman sa round 4 at sa mga sumunod pa na round ay kita na sa galawan ni Mosley na natatakot na itong sumugod dahil nga nakaramdam ito ng pagkayanig kay Sir Manny sa round 3.
The minute
Pacquiao now with a great rhythm. shot by Mosley.
Pacquiao to stop punching.
And that doesn't work against Pacquiao. It was bad for Clottey, bad for Margarito, and bad for Cotto.
Pasundot-sundot na nga lang ng mga jab sabay atras ang tanging nagagawa ni Mosley sa laban na ito.
Landed a couple of nice skiing jabs, but nothing behind it.
Pacquiao, those punches being blocked by Mosley. Pacquiao moving.
It's not as high as he'd like.
Right there, it looks like Shane landed the best right hand of the fight, while Pacquiao was trying to land a right.
And Manny Pacquiao attacking and landing a beautiful.
Dito din sa round 7 ay nagsimula ng magsigawan ang mga tao ng boo dahil nga sobrang dismayado sila sa pinapakita ni Shane Mosley.
Pacquiao getting a little more aggressive.
And, you know,
Look at the power punches, and Manny Pacquiao with a huge edge there.
right there, he needs to stand his ground.
48 seconds to go in the 8th round for the WBO World Championship.
And I'll tell you something.
One-sided affair, all Manny Pacquiao against Shane Mosley.
I'm sorry, even though he certainly is winning every one of these rounds.
And I would say, Al, you're right. Ooh, nice right hand by Mosley.
Bakas na din sa mukha ni Mosley ang pagkabalisa na tila hindi na alam ang gagawin at kung paano mananalo sa laban dahil nga ni isang round ay walang nakukuha si Mosley.
Pacquiao's attacking in a very awkward fashion, not as efficient as he might be, but he throws a lot of punches and gets the job done as he does there.
And this is why it's been so hard to really give Mosley around, because Pacquiao has these bursts.
Now body shot goes upstairs as well. Oh, another straight left hand by Pacquiao that connects solid. Mosley, nothing on his punches.
There's the right hook of Pacquiao. It's not his best punch, but there is another one. When he throws it,
Right hook getting in, followed by a straight left hand, backs up Mosley. 9 seconds to go.
and we look at it in the super slow motion to see the jab used as a rangefinder.
Sa round 10 naman ay dito lalong nagalit si Sir Pacquiao dahil nga kinonsidera ni Kenny Bayless na nakakuha ng knockdown si Mosley sa round na ito. Ngunit kitang-kita naman ng lahat na tinulak lang ni Mosley si Pacquiao. At laking gulat nga ni Sir Pacquiao nang bigla siyang binilangan ni Kenny Bayless.
I think Manny Pacquiao's winning this fight.
Pacquiao,
Everything he's thrown, he's covering up first, and he's not punching.
Ginagawa mo!
and they're going to call that knockdown.
And it's Pacquiao trying.
28 seconds to go in the 10th. Shane Mosley takes a straight left hand.
Pagkatapos din ng round na ito ay kinausap ni Mosley ang kanyang corner na gusto na ihinto ni Mosley ang laban dahil nga may pumutok na daw siya na paltos sa kanyang paa. Ngunit sinabi na lang ng kanyang corner na hayaan na lang at tiisin hanggang matapos ang laban. Nilunok na lang ng corner ni Mosley ang kanilang pride dahil nga never pang natalo si Mosley via TKO. Tanging magagawa na lang talaga ni Mosley sa round 11 at 12 ay mag-survive at tumakbo.
Settle down, Shane. I'm listening to you, Shane, but I can't move. I'm not gonna say I did it get real, dog. I'm gonna talk you through this, soldier. It's in you for real.
Dito din sa round 11 ay kinumpara ng mga commentator sa MMA Super Punch ang suntok na ginawa ni Sir Pacquiao.
Mosley's record is 5-6-1. Pacquiao is 6-1-1. So
And Pacquiao's going for the knockout now.
Pacquiao going for the kill. Start to chant, knock him out.
he throws so many punches at you, you can't block them all.
Kind of throws, in the MMA world, a version of the Superman.
Yeah, that looks like the Superman punch. You're absolutely right. That's a good, really good point.
Sa round 12 ay kitang-kita talaga dito na hindi na makapag-step back si Shane Mosley dahil nga sa iniinda nitong paltos sa kanyang paa. Mas pinili na lang niyang saluhin lahat ng suntok ni Pacquiao hanggang matapos ang laban.
Chance of Manny can be heard throughout this arena. They really want him to close the show here and see if he can knock Shane Mosley out. Of course, he had him down earlier in
seconds to go. Manny Pacquiao continues to roll on as he will likely defeat Shane Mosley, and the fans not happy with the performance by Sugar Shane.
Manny Pac-Man Pacquiao.
So Manny Pacquiao.
Nang panahon din na ito ay number 1 pound per pound fighter si Sir Manny at number 1 welterweight in the world according sa Ring Magazine. At may win streak si Sir Manny ng 13 sunod-sunod na panalo bago niya nakalaban si Mosley. Si Shane Mosley naman ay pang number 3 sa welterweight ng panahon na ito. Kumita si Sir Manny dito ng guaranteed $20 million plus at $5 million naman kay Shane Mosley. At yun nga mga brother, ito po yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Anong masasabi nyo kay Shane Mosley at Manny Pacquiao sa laban na ito? Comment down below your opinion. Maraming salamat po. Peace, yo!
A very good punch, straight left hand. Yeah, it was actually straight left hand, and Mosley was in trouble.